Welcome to Top 10 Money. Today we're going to talk about the ultimate goal of many people's lives, retiring rich. But let's be real, for most of us, the thought of retiring rich seems about as likely as winning the lottery. But don't lose hope just yet, because we're here to give you a step-by-step guide on how to retire rich. Let me remind you that this video is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. It's always recommended to consult with a financial advisor before making any financial decisions. Now sit back, relax, and get ready to learn the secrets to a financially secure retirement. Step 1. Set a financial goal. The first step to retiring rich is setting a financial goal. According to best-selling author and personal finance expert, Dave Ramsey, you must gain control over your money or the lack of it will forever control you. This means determining how much money you'll need to retire comfortably and creating a plan to achieve that goal. It's like setting a destination on a road trip, and you need to know where you're going in order to get there. Step 2. Invest early and often. The second step to retiring rich is investing early and often. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Let's say you start investing $200 per month at the age of 25. By the time you reach 65, your investment will have grown to over $1.3 million, assuming an average annual return of 7%. That's a lot of money to retire on. But if you wait until 35 to start investing, that same investment will only grow to around $700,000. That's a difference of $600,000 just by starting 10 years earlier. Step 3. Diversify your investments. The third step to retiring rich is diversifying your investments. Diversifying means spreading your money across different types of investments such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. It's like ordering a variety of dishes at a restaurant. If one dish is bad, you still have other options to enjoy. Step 4. Live below your means. The fourth step to retiring rich is living below your means. According to Mahatma Gandhi, the difference between what we do and what we are capable of doing would suffice to solve most of the world's problems. This applies to squeezing your budget, spending less than you earn and saving the rest. It's a simple concept, but in today's world of instant gratification and constant temptation, it's not always easy. But remember, the key to a comfortable retirement is saving and investing for the future. And let's be real, who wants to work until they're 90? It's like that time your friends invited you to that fancy restaurant, but you had to say no because you were saving. Sure, it was tough to watch them post pictures of their fancy meals on Instagram, but in the end, you'll be sipping Mai Tais on the beach while they're still at the same old job. And let's not forget about the joys of being frugal. Have you ever had the satisfaction of finding a great deal? It's like a mini victory in your day. And what about the feeling of seeing your savings account grow? It's like watching your own personal money tree grow. So, don't be afraid to say no to that new pair of shoes or that expensive dinner out. Your future self will thank you. Step 5. Continuously educate yourself. The fifth and final step to retiring rich is continuously educating yourself about personal finance and investing. This means staying informed about new investment opportunities, tax laws, and any other financial information that may impact your retirement. Retiring rich may seem like a daunting task, but by following these 5 steps, you'll be well on your way to a financially secure retirement. Remember, it's never too early or too late to start planning for your future. Now, you might be thinking, but wait, it's not that easy. And you're right, it takes hard work and dedication, but with continuous education, you'll have the knowledge and tools to make smart financial decisions and reach your goal of retiring rich. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and strategies.